are you looking at the phone?
Yes.
Yep, you're right.
Oh, there's a fire. Yeah.
Because we used rubber to hold that in place. All right, so there it is, welded or tacked back together. It's not beautiful, obviously. I didn't correct the shape or anything like that, but you can see there's no porosity. And hit that with a little spray paint and we'll see how long she lasts. Curious about that. Also, I'm curious about here. Got a lot more weld on this side where they've tacked it and filled it in here. On this side, I might build this side up a little bit. I also kind of need to weigh it, see what our weight is on that.